What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I really appreciate you guys to be here. If you have not done yet so, consider to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's jump into this morning recap. Essentially, this morning, for some reason, I was looking for at first for a long, uh, and for some reason, saying some reason, but really, I was looking for the for this high to be taken out, and continuation higher on the Nasdaq, which of course did not happen. But one of the area of interest that I was looking at was this 15 minutes order block, which going down into the 5 minutes was showing the same area of interest on the 5. At the open, essentially, and I'll bring out the order, the executions that I have done this morning. So the first trade was of course a losing trade, and really this long should have not been here. I was too eager to get into the game. I did of course got faked out on this candle, and although I did enter on the pullback looking for more continuation, I really should have not. And the reason why is that looking back and reviewing my trade, really the 4 hour for me is still showing into a downtrend, although I believe that probably this week we are going to push higher and take this high at some point. But yeah, so far this 4 hour is showing on the downside, and the 15 minutes time frame is also showing to me on the downside. So the 15 and 4 hour matched the downside direction, and that was supposed to be my bias into the open, essentially. Although this chart, the 15-minute chart, went back, and I realized that I did wrong mapping in this area, I presume. I was having this leg entirely on the long side, so for me this was just a pullback going into taking desire on the long. If you have of course not watched my streaming this morning, I took the long into the open, which of course was wrong. Once we break, on the we did break on the downside, I essentially enter at the rejection of the this fair value gap, where I did 5 finger at first. I did enter rather than going short, I did enter long at first, and then once I realized, I did flip the position over here. Did really ride the took quickly, it took quickly 3 contract out over here to recover the loss really, and put me back in a state of mental peace at that point. And then of course I kept riding this position down with the one more around this area, and riding back into the order block that I was looking for. Was really tempted to take a long at that point, because of course my initial thought really were on the long side, but you know, I refrained. I had already my you know, winning trade, um, and essentially a trade that put me back in green. For those of you that don't know, I am essentially trying to pass an evaluation channel, evaluation um, with the top step. Uh, but I just realized that last week, since I broke a rule, I essentially I need to reset the account. So what I'm gonna do, I will keep, you know, trading with this account until my next bill cycle is on, and you know, and then games on again. So yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. If you would like the channel, the video, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.